This is the story of a 9-year-old boy named Bobby.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning.
This animation is short, but it covers most important elements of a scratch animation. To create a new project, click New. It will ask you whether you want to save the current project. Click Yes if you want to save. Then when this is a default project, in this default project there's a default sprite. Looks like a cat. It has two costumes. It does not have any script, and it has a sound called meow. We'll be creating our first sprite by changing the cat, or sprite 1. Click Costumes. Delete the second one and click Edit on the first one, then add mustache. Using Paint tool, click OK to save. Change the sprite name to Master Meow. Then we'll create the next sprite by clicking the New Sprite button. Click Import. We'll pick an image to import from People directories. Click OK and change the sprite name to Bobby. And change the first costume name to Front. And we'll import the second one called Right. Next, we'll create a new costume by copying front costume and edit it. We will select his leg, one leg, then rotate, grab the leg, and deselect by clicking anywhere on in the canvas, and then click the rotate again to rotate the whole body. Then click OK to save. Now let's create another costume by copying and rotate this costume. Click Edit, then rotate the other way, then click OK to save. In costume to fly kick right and fly click left. Next, we'll create a sprite called Bully. Click Import, then select Dan 4, change the name to Up, copy Up, edit, rotate it, and save it as Down. Then import another picture. This time we'll use Dan 1, edit, rotate the whole thing all the way until it's all the way on the floor. Click OK. Then save it as Defeated. Change the name to Bully. Next, we'll create a sprite called Sidekick. First, we find an image to import. Change the name to Sidekick. Then click Costumes tab and change this costume name to Tease. And then import another image that looks a bit more sad. Okay, click OK. Change the costume name to Sad, and then we're done with all our sprites. Next, we'll create scenes. To create scenes, click Stage, then Backgrounds, and click Edit. Use the brush tool to create mountains, the outline of mountains, and then we'll use the paint tool. Use eyedrop tool to select the colors you like. We want the first color I like the light green, light yellow, and then light green. Use the center gradients. And then next, we want to color the mountains. Select dark green and light green. And then also, this time we'll use the top gradient. Clip from the top of the mountain. There you go. And now we want to add text for our background. Just click text and type. When you're done, grab the little solid black box and move it to wherever you like. And you can also edit your text. Click OK to save. Click Paint to create another background. This background is called School. First, we'll create a blackboard using the solid box. And the color is green. Then we'll fill the background with white. Click the switch tool to switch the main color, to change the main color. Next, we'll create desk. To create desk, I'm using hollow box tool, and then I'm using the line tool now to create the top of the desk and then the side of the desk. Make sure that it's all enclosed, so when we are doing the fill, using the fill tool, you can fill the enclosed area with one color. Okay, this is a little painstaking. You can use the box tool if you like. We're done with the outline of the desk. Next, we'll fill the desk with color using the fill tool. Just by clicking the enclosed area. To make copy, use stamp tool, select the desk to copy, and release your mouse to create a new copy, then release again to make another copy. Do it again, and again, and again. So now it looks like a school. Click OK. Next, we'll create another background called Training Ground. Click Paint, and then Import. Select from outdoor folders. I picked the hayfield. Click OK, then OK. We're done with this background. And click Paint again. This time we'll create a background called Fighting Stage. This is the fanciest of all backgrounds. For this lesson, use Box tool to create the side of the stage that's facing you, and then use the Line tool to create the top of the fighting stage. Also use the Line tool to create the side of the fighting stage. Make sure that you, just like how we created the desk, you created an enclosed area so that when we use the fill tool, it will work. And create a diamond in the middle. And add the metal bar. Do the same on the other side, so this looks more three-dimensional. Next, we'll fill the stage with color. We will pick a lighter color and a darker color. The lighter color is where the light hits, and the darker color is where the shadow is. For the lighter color, I picked light blue, and for the darker color, I picked dark blue. And we can also add the backdrops. I'm using the gray for my lighter color and black for my darker color. Click OK to save. This is our fighting stage. And now we'll change the background names to Village, School, and Training Ground, and then Fighting Stage. You can also add the text by clicking the text tools, like we've shown when we are creating the village tools. I'm just adding the storyline to each respective background. We are done.